Today we're at my friend's house. We're going to fix his shower door.
My friend's shower door won't close all the way. There are 3 things causing this problem. First, this has a continuous hinge, meaning it goes the full length of the door. This hinge is held on with 2 hinge pins. His current ones are plastic, and over the years, the pin part has broken off. Number 2, since the pin part broke off, it allowed the hinge sleeve to be more exposed, causing it to tear over time. And number 3, since the hinge pin broke, it caused his door to drop half an inch, so his door flange or door sweep is barely hanging on. We're going to show you how to fix all 3 of these. There are a few different types of shower doors. The majority fall into 3 different types: a framed door with a continuous hinge, a framed door with a pivot hinge, and a frameless shower door with typical hinges. My friend's shower door is framed with a continuous hinge.
We noticed that these little hinges were broken on it, so we bought some better ones. These are steel. We had to get a continuous hinge sleeve. I'm really hoping that I got the right size because it took like 2 weeks to get in. We're going to be replacing the little flange at the bottom to keep the water out. These go out every couple of years. They're not a big deal to replace.
There are also many different types of door flanges or door sweeps, so just find the one that matches your style or your shower door situation. This T-shaped one is the one we're using for our door.
The door can't come off unless you take off the plate on the side. The plate is connected to the hinge.
And there's 3 screws that hold this on. Down right there.
You got it?
Yep. To get this hinge out, you have to remove this little pin.
I'm holding the hinge plate, and since the hinge pin broke, this caused the top of the hinge to wear down at an angle, which means our hinge pin won't sit flat anymore. I'm going to use a Dremel tool to grind it so our hinge pin will sit flat. Now I'm sliding our new plastic hinge sleeve onto the continuous hinge.
We're going to put this new one in.
Push?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, and then this just comes out. You have to find out where you can pull it from. Might take some coaxing. You just want to try not to rip it, because then it's like super hard to get out. After you take the flange out, you just want to clean this gunk out, then it'll make it a little easier for the new one to go in. Most of this is just hard water. It's not actual gunk, or at least I like to tell myself that. After you clean out most of it, then you can wrap your tool in your paper towel and then shove it in there. Oh yeah, look at that crevasse. The other nice thing about this tool is you can use it to scrape all this hard water deposits on here. Almost as bad as scraping your nails on a chalkboard. This is a T-shape, so it just slides in that little channel.
That looks
But we got this in now, and we're gonna put the door up. If this ends up being a little bit long, you can always trim it. It's also okay if it folds over a little bit. Not that much. Not that much. Too strong. We've got the flange in, and then we've got the sleeve in with the continuous hinge, with the new continuous hinge pins. Now we just need to put these 3 screws in, and we should be good. The moment of truth to test it. It wasn't shutting before. Before it would shut like that. So now it shuts all the way. Looks level.
You missed your chance. You did it the first one, and then you open it again.
The flange isn't touching the bottom sill, but that's okay. You can see that the flange is scooping in towards the shower, which is what we want. So any water that runs down the door like this will hit that flange, and then it'll stay inside the shower instead of coming outside the shower. You can tell that's exactly what happened here because this MDF baseboard has just been hammered with water. That's why it's puffing out like this. This new flange will do really well to keep all the water out. There you have it. We were able to fix this door with only 3 parts. New hinges, a new continuous hinge sleeve, a new flange at the bottom. Altogether, this was under $60 to replace all these parts. Now he has a fully functioning door. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Perfect. He just waited. Like, yeah, I'm gonna use that.
It's such a good sound effect.
And my lovely assistant is going to hold the door. Nothing for you.
Don't hit the door. Crap, which one did I take? take it out. Was it in the bottom one?
There you have it. We were able to replace the. What?
Do you want to see his reflection?
Yeah, that's okay. Because this is on a
It's
continu
not like bad, it's just in the...
because this is on a continuous hinge. Because it's on a continuous hinge. Stop talking.